From VOA Learning English, this is the Health Report. Midwives help women have natural childbirths at home and in medical centers. A group of midwives in Los Angeles, California, is trying to train more minority women. They also want more women to give birth at home. Only 1% of babies in the United States are born at home. However, interest in home deliveries is on the rise. In Los Angeles, for example, some women are choosing to use midwives instead of the usual hospital birth with a doctor. Midwives are specially educated in childbirth services. They begin as apprentices or students. Then they must pass state tests called medical boards. In 2012, Jasmine Lavender delivered her second child in a bathtub. She chose birth with a midwife because she did not want to repeat the hospital experience she had with her first child. Doctors delivered that baby by operating on Ms. Lavender. The surgery is called a cesarean section. Ms. Lavender says the operation was unneeded and hurried. She says she felt she was not given enough time to deliver her baby vaginally. Ms. Lavender's second baby arrived without a C-section at the Community Birth Center in South Los Angeles. Licensed midwife Racha Lawler established the center. Ms. Lawler says it offers general health services such as testing for sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. When the center first opened, there were about 300 licensed midwives in California. Most of them were white. But Racha Lawler wants to increase by 100% the number of midwives of color. She hopes to do this through community outreach and free help for students. For VOA Learning English, I'm Laurel Bowman.